I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some test problems from geometry and angles of polygons. Here is a quilt design. Verify if it is possible to make this design. So what we have here is we got 8 of these diamonds here, right? So these are 8 diamonds. Each diamond looks like this. All sides are equal and the angle in between, the obtuse angle, is 130 degrees each. You need to verify whether this kind of design can be created or not. That is your question. So you can pause the video, do your calculations, and then write down your answer. Now my solution is that to verify we need to find what these angles are at the tips, right? The acute angles are. Now we know that in a diamond sum of angles is 360 degrees, right? Four-sided figure is equals to 360 degrees, right? And the opposite angles are equal since all the 4 sides are equal in this case. So let's call this angle as angle A. Let's call this angle as angle A. In that case, we know that will also be A, right? This will also be A. So in this particular figure, what we have is that 2A, the 2 angle A, plus 2 times 130 degrees should be equals to 360 degrees, correct? Because sum of these 4 angles is 360 degrees. 2 are 130, so 2 times 130 plus 2 times A. So from here we can solve for angle A. So we have 2 times A equals to 360 degrees minus 2 times 130 degrees, right? So A is equals to half of this, right? So here is 360 degrees minus 2 times 130 degrees divided by 2. So let us use the calculator and find our answer. So it is 360 minus 2 times 130 equals to, divided by 2 equals to 50. So we get each angle A as 50 degrees. Now the question is, if this angle A, if the measurement of this angle A is 50 degrees, can you form this design? Now how do you know that? So let us count how many of these angles are there at the center. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So there will be 8 angles A. So at the center, let's say in the center, the angle measurement is how much? It will be 8 times A, right? So which is equals to 8 times 50 degrees. And that gives us 400, right? So that is 400 degrees. Now the question is that 400 degrees possible? The solution is no. So that is not possible, right? Not possible. Since one circle is 360 degrees, right? Since the central angle is not 360 degrees. It should have been 360 degrees. Only then it is possible, right? Therefore, so our answer is that design is not possible, right? Design is not possible. So to make this design, you have to change the angle, correct? So your question now is, so the question for you is, what should be, how to change the design to make it possible. So that is the question for you to solve, okay? I hope you find it interesting. Thank you and all the best.